Hello, dear students. This is the video session. Here, I want to introduce a very minor character of the play, The Eye of the World by William Congreve. Uh, so far, we have discussed on the major characters of the play. Now, I want to uh, link and focus uh, another character, that is Sir Wilful Whitwood. Sir Wilful Whitwood uh, is the character, and he was about 40 years old and nephew of Lady Wishford. Lady Wishford, in the previous class we have discussed, she was a widow and she was having a ward and niece and nephew also. Her nephew was Wilful Whitwood. He was 40 years old. He came from country to the town, that is now he could adjust with the urbanity. It is quite difficult for him to adjust with the fashionable life of the city. All is that is the behavior uh, that will reflect in his character. Let us see something about that is Wilful Whitwood. Wilful Whitwood, he has a brother, that is a Whitwood, young brother, and he was studying law in London. He was also a fashionable boy. He was that is a Wilful Whitwood. He was considered and he is observed as the country bumpkin. As but the city wit, he is a traditional character type in comedy. Though he is a minor character, there is a light focus on him for the comedy. As a that is a man of country, he was naturally behaving, but it was not disliked by the fashionable people in the city. Right, like other characters in the play, Sir Wilfrid does not quite conform the type. He is shown as having country manners, all the manners. They are reflecting the country manners, the rustic manners, rustic language, behavior, and his dress code and mannerism. They were all respecting and representing the country manners. It is a kind of that is mockery for the people, ridicule for the people, other people in the play. He calls for slippers. He drinks too heavily. Uh, he's a drunkard. He is very shy with Millamant. As he was a nephew of Lady Wishford, and Lady Wishford wanted him to get marry the Millamant. It was her plan. Because of that, Lady Wishford was avoiding the Millamant. It was hurdle for the for the Millamant as well as the Mirabelle to get marry each other. Because Lady Wishford said the great expectations of the Sir Wilful Whitwood get marry, that is the Millamant, the bard of her. But actually, Sir Wilful Whitwood, he was very shy as the country bumpkin with the Millamant, out by the city lady. He could not understand and follow her, and with his manners, he has some limitations, and he could not. That is actually and practically love her. But Lady Whispered she was expecting him to be get the hand of the Millamant. However, his intention to tour Europe, even though he is well beyond usual age, for the grand tour is an odd characteristics, not observable in the time. He had a great passion to have a tour to England. Uh, uh, it was his passion. It was his dream too. He is justifiably, fearfully angry in his encounter with his brother. He was angry with his younger brother, that is Whitwood. His attitude in other, because his younger brother, he was the fashionable young, that is boy and a student of law, and he was very much influenced by the London fashionable life. Therefore, there was a contrast between the brother and both the brothers, that is Sir Wilful Whitwood and young Whitwood. Therefore, he disliked him. He hates him a lot. He was angry always for his the manners that he has acquainted in the city. His attitude in other matters suggests a sensible person. Though he is countryman, he was so a sensible person. Though he was a drunkard, he was so sensible person. Sometimes he could understand well better than the lady Wishpert. Lady was always misunderstood, and she was a man-seeking woman, not a woman, man-seeking, that is a widow. He is better in the understanding the people than is that is Lady Whispered. That he certainly does not wish to marry Wilminta if she does not choose. Actually, he doesn't have any kind of desire to marry Wilminta. Still, that is it was imposition on him by that is a Lady Wishford to get him her hand. Actually, literally, he does not have to wish to marry Milament. If she does not choose, if she only asks and likes him, then only he offer her. Otherwise, he does not have any such a intention like Mirabal and other people. He obviously like Mirabal. Actually, he was a very good character. He likes Mirabal well. He loved him well, presumably a sign of good judgment, and gladly helped the uh, final. And this is Sir Wilful Whitwood. He knows well all the follies and weakness and the tricks of the final. He supports Mirabal in many ways in order to file the final, because the final he was loving for money and he married for money and he wanted to that is leave Mrs. Final with all his bad characters. Though he was the country man, he observed all the things and he judges well than other people, and he loved and respected Mirabal too well, and he supported a lot for many in many things to Mirabal. This is a brief note on Sir Wilful Whitwood. He is a very minor character. Right. Thank you for having a short discussion on Wilful Whitwood in the play that is Way of the World by William Congreve. Thank you for listening. Meet in the next